hello, namaste. This is Harshita. Today I am going to show you very simple and classic design which you can do by yourself. And if you're watching my video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. And let's start. For today's nail art video, I am using black color, white color and sky blue color and Fevicol for removing the extras, and pointed tool and toothpick for doing the design. Okay, tell me guys, how was this design? If you like this design, please give me a thumbs up, comment and share. And if you want to buy the tools which I used in this nail art, please go and check in the description. And I upload my videos on every Monday and Thursday. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press notification bell icon. Namaste.